Here I've got Nokia X20, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dealer and go to keypad. We will enter the first code, which is *pound 06 pound. Actually the one and only code, because then I will show you the second method to reach device info. So as you can see here, we've got IMEI and serial number. To close this tab, tap on OK, and then let's go back. And the second method, if somehow your code is not working, is to open the settings, then find and select about phone, and here you've got both IMEI numbers, and then under model and hardware you will find serial number as well. So this is it. This is how you can reach both numbers assigned to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.